So we've decided to use this box we just pulled off our parts truck.
It's way better shape than the other one originally off the truck.
We'll show you why. This one, the usual, it's upside down. This one's
Is it really, Chris?
Yes, it is. Usual rust because of this bracing. It's got rust on the backside of this bracing all the way up. Couple cracks, not worried about it. Rust hole there, not worried about it. The actual box itself is pretty good, except for a little bit of bent metal there. That's no problem. We'll show you the other side. Same issues, rust behind where the bracing is.
But this one's really nice.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
This one's good on this side.
A few minor cracks, but
yeah, dent wise it's pretty good. Box rails are perfect on this thing.
yeah, we'll show you why we're not going to use the other box because of the back rails. Because somebody actually took the time and made these out of
Galvanized.
Yeah. So.
And they riveted on. Must have been done a long time ago. Same with this side.
And
there you can see the galvanized.
And these rear fenders may look like they're actually not bad shape, but you can see there's little pop rivets through, and if you look through the backside, they're all rotted out. And
it's all rotted, all down.
So
there's Bondo crack there, so that's all gone. This is all gone, and it's about the same shape as the other ones, but now then I'm either fixing virgin sheet metal or fixing other people's fixes.
And at the end of the day, you don't want a rusty old box. I don't think very many people do, so we're going to do it right.
Unless you're making a rat rod.
They can't see me, I'm wearing camo. You should get careful.
Here's another project car that may or may not get done. V12 unseized, ran when parked. Leaks oil like crazy out of the rear main, but hasn't run for 40 years. Something like that?
Something like that.
Interior is gone. Shot. But we're gonna start taking apart this box. Stripping it, pulling off the motor and the lever bolt.
Start from scratch. Alrighty, I'm started heating the shit out of all the sheet metal.
So we've decided, since the box we chose has some rust in between the panels here, I'm going to cut this panel off, replace it. We're going to pull this panel off. We're trying to loosen up these two screws with some heat, and the box is going to be pulled entirely apart.
It turned.
Cut off some rivets already.
Nope.
Oh, that's it for the screw.
Yeah, it rounded. I'm thinking we're gonna have to drill them out.
Go.
Okay, you want to hold it up?
Yeah.
That was like an action shot right there. Just let go. It's gonna round out. I think she's done. Yeah. So unfortunately, we'll have to drill these out. But at least on a plus note there, you won't be stuck in the thread like in that plate.
And spot welds all along here. The joy of making rust into paint.
That is what a win looks like. Bam!
But it probably would have been easier just to drill them out. But
we have the technology. I'm going to do things the hard way.
Can't see me because I'm wearing camo.
Yeah, you said that 20 minutes ago. It's not funny.
I got no rhythm.
Working.
two came out, two didn't.
50-50.
Okay, so we popped the rivets out of this. This is the back panel against the cab. We're gonna basically pull the cab or the box all the way apart. So we punched out rivets, but then we also found out that it's spot welded as well from the factory. So we're gonna pull those out, drill them out. The reason why we're doing that is there's rust in between panels like that. Those are all spot welded, and if we leave them, it's just gonna rust. So we're gonna pull the box totally apart, clean all the rust, and go from there. It's a big pain in the ass, but
very big pain in the ass.
Either do this or stand down the box as it is. In 5 years or less, rust will come through the.
Hey, that's good.
Or that guy could spend the money and buy a new box.
Yeah, cheap.
Okay, that's out of the question.
Can't even afford a store-bought haircut.
Oh no. 3.5 or so hours later, this box is finally taken apart. It's gonna be done right. We're gonna clean all the edges so that way no rust will come back. There's a really big pain in the ass taking it apart. This is still gotta be taken apart and find all the spot welds.
Yeah, because this seam is
and there's
gonna have rust
underneath, and it's only gonna come back to haunt us. If we're going this far, you might as well do it right. Like I said, it's a big pain in the ass, but in the long run it will turn out better. Tried convincing him to maybe go to the Home Depot and buy wood and just make a wooden box, but that's not in the cards.
And we'll drill out the spot welds for this, take these off so that we can weld. There's cracks there, so we can clean inside there and everything. And
then probably, we discussed, probably just gonna make a new piece from scratch, because this thing's bent 6 ways from Sunday and it's all effed up, but we're gonna replace that and make it a whole new one. So yeah, will it go back together? We don't know. You'll just have to watch the next episode. But anyway, it's been a great day. I'm tired, I'm going home. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, we'd love to hear from you. All right, have a good night. I'm out of here.